But the Hedges edition is in Morningside.
Yeah, so he developed Morningside as
Yeah.
well.
Oh.
So yeah, everybody kind of spreads out.
Oh, okay, all right.
All right, I'm going to try to turn in a circle here. So, William Wilfred Van Dyke. He was born in 1839 in Fort Madison, Iowa. As a teenager, he began working for his father, a steamboat captain. During the Civil War, he worked on steamers ferrying goods and soldiers to forts on the upper Missouri River. After the Civil War, he accompanied his brother-in-law, Daniel Hedges, in the Sawyer's expedition in 1865. That's that Niobrara Road out to Montana to look for gold. He continued working on steamboats before settling in Keokuk with his wife Margaret in 1872. William Van Dyke came to Sioux City around 1880 after his father died. His mother and sisters, Mrs. D.T. Hedges and Mrs. C.L. Wright, both lived here. You heard about Wright a little earlier. He went to work for the Tootle and Livingston Dry Goods Company and the Hornick, Webb, and Van Dyke Drug Company. In 1888, he purchased the Peters and Dwight Insurance Company and sold General Insurance until his death in 1917, when he was hit by a Pelletier delivery truck. William's son, John W. Van Dyke, who is not here, he is in Graceland. Yes, John is in Graceland. Married Grace Toy, and later became vice president of Toy National Bank. So, Van Dykes, Hedges. And now, not the last one, but the next to the last one,